Good afternoon. My name is Abdulsaid Rodawa, and this is my presentation for the midterm assignment for COM 229. So let's go ahead to the website itself. Here we have the books website that has been uploaded to the cloud hosting app. Let me go to the main home page. We'll click on the books list page itself. Over here, we see there are 3 available books already. What we want to test is to be sure that we can perform CRUD operations with this website, and they are all based on Node.js. So we will start by adding a book. Let's give it the name sample. Book price, let's put a dummy number here, and author Abdul, and general, let's say sci-fi. And we can also take good notice of the URL here, right? We're calling the REST service the add. So this is what will be detected by the app.js file once it receives this request. So we would submit, and we see it's over here. Let's also confirm that we can update and delete as well. Let's change this to another name, and let's change the author as well. Yep, so update works as well. We'll also attempt to delete this. It's out, so we'll refresh, so that entry no longer exists in our DB, in our database. And also for read itself, the fact that we can actually view this page, it shows us that the read operation works well. Now let's go into the details of the code. We'll start with app.js, which of course is utilizing third-party modules, so such as Express and Morgan and Mongoose as well. There are other inbuilt modules like Path that it's making use of also. As we can see, we're using Mongoose to make a connection to the database itself. The database is hosted on the cloud too. So once the connection has been made, we are implementing the concept of middleware, which is what Express uses to handle REST-based request. REST stands for representational state transfer. So once a request is made and it contains this path, once a request is made and it contains this path, just the backslash, which means index, it's going to automatically, right, pull up the contents of this file. Once a request is made and it contains the path here for books, it's going to pull up what we have inside this file. So now let's take a look at what we have under books itself. So look for the routes folder, and we'll go ahead and look for books. So we can see here all the verbs that can be performed, from get to post to get, post, and delete, are being implemented here. So like what I showed you in the previous code, anytime a customer clicks the add button, this is the path that he tries to access. So what happens is that the app.js, which is our manifest file, would actually recognize this and execute this particular code. The same applies when it's another type of verb that it's trying to perform. It could be a post as well, right? So we can see they have basically the same name but different actions. Yeah. So our file is hosted on Heroku. We see it here, and we also have the existing Git as well. Thank you so much for viewing this.